Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to clear cache in Messenger app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your settings option. So once you open your settings option, you will end up in this kind of interface. All you need to do is simply scroll down below and tap on the apps option. So once you tap on apps, you can find the app management, and from there all you need to do is simply scroll down and tap on the Messenger app. So once you tap on the Messenger app, you need to tap on the storage uses. There simply tap on the clear cache. Once you do this, the cache stored in your Messenger will get permanently deleted. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.